Hey, if you've been struggling with hair loss, thinning edges, or slow hair growth, I've got something natural and powerful for you, and it might be sitting right in your backyard. Use guava leaves just once and your hair may never stop growing. That's not clickbait, it's backed by tradition and science. Let me show you how it works and how to use it. Guava leaves are packed with vitamin C, B vitamins, and antioxidants. They help boost collagen activity, improve scalp circulation, and reduce inflammation, all of which create the perfect conditions for strong, healthy hair to grow. They can prevent hair loss, reduce dandruff, strengthen your roots, and even promote the regrowth of thinning areas. No chemicals, no side effects, just nature doing what it does best. Cut to step-by-step demo: boiling leaves, straining water, applying to scalp. Presenter demo style. Here's how to use it. 1. Take a handful of fresh guava leaves. 2. Boil them in about 1 liter of water for 15-20 minutes. 3. Let it cool completely, then strain. 4. Pour it into a spray bottle or bowl. 5. Massage it into your scalp and hair. Let it sit for at least 30 minutes. Or leave it overnight if you want deeper results. 6. Rinse it out or wash as usual. Do this 2-3 times a week. Most people start seeing changes in about 2 to 4 weeks: stronger roots, less shedding, and visible growth over time. Do a quick patch test first, especially if you've got sensitive skin. And for best results, pair this with a balanced diet, less heat styling, and consistent care. So try it out. Guava leaves might just become your new secret weapon for unstoppable hair growth. Let me know how it works for you.